In level 2, there would be much more combinations, much more intimate details. So I can improvise more and more on that. Now everybody talks about sex. Everybody feels, oh, sex. And people, some people like to talk, some people don't like to talk. It's a taboo subject for everybody. But here we are gathered not to understand sex. For understanding sex, you have got many sites. You can just go and see. We are not for that. We are here to understand what combinations we are getting. We understand those combinations and help our clients. Like there is one combination. Whenever Rahu transits in the 12th house, and you see in the transit it is coming in a person's 12th house, that person's physical desire will be at the peak. So when a client is coming to you, so you have to counsel that client's, the partner, that this is a time, pay attention to your husband's needs. This time he would be more prone to physical intimacy than usual. No, some clients say, nahi, aise kuch nahi hai, it's not that way. And after few months of the transit happening, Rahu stays in 18 months. At least after 4-5 months, they will say, yeah, what you said last time was right. Nowadays, though, I don't know what has happened to my husband. Every day he wants sex. So when we understand the transits, and that time we can at least try to make sure the husband's and the wife's relationships are balanced. They do not, because of the sexual factor, they do not withdraw from each other, because there are so many couples. I have given an example of one couple over here. The husband wants sex regularly, the wife gets very scared to go into the bedroom also. So we need to, when we take a horoscope, we must understand that problem in this couple would be this. Like when we take a horoscope, we do the predictions for each and everything. So we must try to analyze this fact, because sex is a very important part in today's life. Today, no, it's from the generations, but now people have become more open to accept the needs. Before, women never used to accept the body needs, but now even women are more open to accept that this is the need of the body and we need the satisfaction. So we start. And if you have any questions or any chart, if you want, you can give it to me. And Cancerians are the most sensitive and the sweet lovers of the zodiac. Sensitive, ruled by moon. They don't like fights. And the fourth side of the Kalpurush, this is the place of house. Everybody likes peace at house. So Cancerians would be peace-loving people. The most important is they like to feel loved. They make their partner feel protective, because ruled by moon, so motherly feeling will be there. And they themselves also are very loving and caring towards the partner. But they do not let you know what turns them on. This is the quality I have observed. I have got many Cancerian clients. What they like, they will never tell from their mouth. Whatever situation is, if you want to gift a Cancer something, you ask, no, I don't know. Yeah, you have to find that for yourself. What the, what you, yeah. No, that is what I said. The ascendant would be your actual implementation of the character. That is why I gave that. The sun would be the house where you like to flaunt. Moon would be your innermost thoughts, what you think in your mind. Mars would be where your passion and sexuality. Venus is where you want romance. Now, like if I take this, I stick to this chart only. This person's ascendant is Libra. Planets we are not taking, forget the planets. So this person's behavior would be like a Libra. Libra is a balanced, blunt people. They would be always balanced in whatever situation they are. They are always balanced people. Then you take Sun. Now Sun has come in the 12th house. 12th house is of Ashan, Shay and Bhog. So this person will always like to flaunt his things. When he makes expenses also, he spends money also lavishly. He will spend lavishly. Either he will not spend, but he will spend lavishly. He'll say, oh, I bought this, I paid 1 lakh more to get this number for the car. It could be anything. They like to flaunt their expenses. Ashan, Shayan, Bhog expenses. Moon is the thought, whichever partner they go. First thing, wherever moon comes, the person does not like to talk about that house. So this person is very secretive about his wife. And the best thing is this person's wife and the children think that my husband is so dumb, he doesn't know anything. I have to keep a check on my expressions, that I do not let a smile come on my face. Because this whole family is very close to me. So I always have to keep a check that I do not let. The son says, my papa is so dumb, he doesn't understand anything. And I have to say, okay. Then Mars would be a planet where there's passion. Venus would be where there's love, romance. So when this person, again Venus has come in the 12th house. So he has a very charming personality where he can, romantically woo the woman. And they all get attracted to him. He's got such a nice personality. 58 years old. At this age also, if you see him. And Sunil ji, I have told you about this person. Remembered? Clear? Later. We'll complete this. Cancerians. Cancerians, males are attracted to big breast and females to big male organs. Why is that? Yeah. Why is that? Why? हाँ बोलो. See, you are on the right track. Tell. This is the Kalpurush Kundli's 4th house. Cancer rules the breast. Mithun Rashi, they prefer the hands come in Mithun Rashi. So again, that part would be more active. For Cancerians, this part comes, this would be more active. Leos, this part, you cannot forget the body parts. 8th house Vrishchik, it is the private parts. So always link everything. Dhanu Rashi is thighs. ठीक है? Cancerians are from the crustacean family, therefore have a huge appetite for sex. Cancerians are ruled by Cancer, who has a big shell. So beneath that shell, they have a higher deep sexuality hiding. The Cancer, हम लोग turtles, we see the turtles, we see the crabs. We don't know what they are. But behind that, we see, oh, there's a living being inside it. So Cancerians on the surface, you will not come to know. But when they come out, you will say, oh, this appetite. Yeah, they are very sexy in bed. Look-wise, they might not be sexy. Yeah. They take a long time to orgasm and are bored of routine sex. This is again a point given by a client. This person's partner. She's a Cancerian by zodiac and she has given me this point. They take long time to orgasm. Again, don't forget, the shell is there. Beneath the shell, there is a lot of sexuality. So it needs to come out. So once they open up, you come to know their desire. And they are bored of routine sex. They don't like flowing water. Kidhar bhi nikalna hai. Flowing water, how many rocks you put, it will just keep flowing. And Cancerians always will look here and there. Anybody is having a Cancerian spouse, that person will always look here and there. Always observe that. Very difficult, they love rough and animal sex. Very difficult to please in bed. But if pleased, they can take you to high levels of sexual pleasure. Again, all these points given personally. Yeah, thank you. Leos take pride in their lovemaking. They try to be the best in bed because the lion always feels he's the best. They are dominant in bed and have amazing sexual energy because again ruled by sun. They love when their partners think of them as Kamdev Rati. They like to proclaim themselves as sex god and sex goddesses. Kamdev Rati malum hai na? Kamdev is the sex god and Rati is his spouse. Leos like to flaunt their mate. Pardon? Leos like to flaunt their mate. कोई भी Leo sign वाला होगा. They love their partners very nice. They would love, oh, she's my wife, she's my girlfriend. They would love that to do that. They can be quite possessive and jealous also.
What is flaunt?
Flaunt मतलब दिखाना, दिखावा करना, show off करना. They can be quite possessive and jealous, but they try to hide this fact. They don't like to say to their partners, I'm jealous or anything, because lion की pride नीचे हो जाएगी. So they don't like to show they are jealous. Leos are insecure in love. Librans, they have the tact of charming their partners. Libras love blindfolded sex. Here I would say oral or anal. Libra is a sign of Venus ruling the 1st and the 8th house. So they love all the varieties. A Libran, if you want to keep a Libran lover with you, you have to give him all the varieties, whatever it is. So that person is always there with you. They are innovative and like to experiment in bed. Yeah. If you have a Libran partner, you can just decorate your room and give him a surprise. You can just experiment new things. If you are opening the door for a Libra, you wear a seductive gown, nightie, just a drape, that would be more exciting and build up the atmosphere. So Librans are basically innovative. Now more you can go on adding. It's an endless thing. You can go and writing a whole book on it. They understand the needs of the partner and ensure that the partner is satisfied. There are many zodiac signs where they do not bother if the partner is satisfied or not. But if a Libra, especially if the Libra ascendant is there, that person... See, thank you very much. See, I expect this type of feedback coming. They understand the needs of the partner. Sunil ji, where are you lost? Okay. Yeah. Okay. नहीं आप बताइए. Was it true? I said they understand the needs of the partner and ensure that the partner is also satisfied. Okay. Okay. So कहीं भी Virgo and Libra is activated. See, got the point? Ascendant is Virgo. Gemini ascendant. 4th house आ गया Virgo. There would be some planets. You can check the chart on the Wikipedia. 6 हाँ तो 4th house. हाँ घर में ही saying ना maid. Thank you Sunil ji. And they love hygiene. If Scorpio gets activated with Pluto and Mars, rape cases will occur. We have got all the combinations. I have taken the charts. Love, sadistic pleasure, it comes anything. They can rape anybody, they can tie them, they can burn them, they can hurt them. First we take Lagna, Vrishchik Lagna. So sex is very important for this person. Ruler Mars is posited with exalted Budh. In the 11th house, Budh is exalted. See, quickly we are doing the analysis. 8th house, Vrishchik, sex is in your mind. Ruler Mars with exalted Budh in the 11th house. 11th house is aspecting the 5th house. So this is definitely very important in sex. Exalted Budh, so the sense of touch would be very important. Mars with a planet of Mars, a passion planet full of passion. हाँ होंगे affairs because Mars and Buddha are aspecting this and Guru is again in the 8th house. That you don't take. That we will take later. We are just talking about the sexual point. Lagna Bindu is what? Budh. Lagna Bindu is again Budh. Budh is with Mars. So touch is very important to that person. Don't forget the Mahabharata story. Does everybody know? Do you know story of Mahabharata? Quickly. To analyze the planets, always remember the story of Mahabharata. Surya is Krishna. Chandra is Draupadi. Mars is Arjun. Budh is Karna. Jupiter is Guru Dronacharya. Shukra is Guru Shukracharya. Shani is Duryodhan. How come you forget? Duryodhan. Rahu is Shakuni Mama. What is Ketu? Vidur. Good students. So when you remember the story, you will not forget the friendship chart. You always have to remember the story. You cannot separate the story. Arjun was scared of Karna. So they cheated Karna to remove. During sunrise, जाके वो कवच उससे मांग लिया. So Mars becomes weak in बुध राशि. So Mars का sexuality इधर कम हो गया. Got it? हाँ, this is Lagna is ruled by Budh. Thinking plus Surya आ गया. So this person will always be concerned, and Surya is the ruler of the 10th house. So this person will always be concerned about the social status. कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगा काम की जगह पे. This person will not like to mess around in the place of work. Is this true about your friend? Okay? Because Atma Tattva Aya, I don't want anything bad to happen. Plus Neptune is there. If anything happens, this person will be very scared. Oh, this can happen, this can happen. And Neptune is there. So Neptune people is always fantasizing more, having more dreams. Always remember that. And when you see sex on screen, porn movies, what is that? What type of sex is that? Bolo? No, astrology related. Bolo, when you see porn movies, what type of sex is that? कुछ भी देखो. हाँ, but what type? Related to what planet? Planet बोलो. Buddhist touch. Sunil ji. Okay. Neptune sex on screen. Sex on screen is Neptune sex. Always remember. आप movies में देखते हो, it is Neptune sex. Whatever they show in the porn movies, there are so many things which will not be believable also. So that is all on Neptune sex. Do we know is it real or there is something added to that? We don't know. So that is Neptune sex. So this person has got Neptune and Buddha together. So imagination in the mind is very high. Sun. So sun is stopping. Don't. The energy of Mars is single, Pluto is double. Pluto is a secretive planet. Scorpio is ruled by Mars as well as Pluto. So Scorpio is ruled by two planets. And Pluto is said to be a secretive planet, 1 feet above the Earth, 9 feet below the Earth. So Pluto is a very secretive planet. And Pluto is related to deep research. So wherever Pluto gets involved, the energy level will be very high. Higher octave of Mars. किसी का Pluto Mars साथ में है. Don't jump to conclusions. See the other factors. I have a client at the moment somewhere, she must be around 58 years. She has got Pluto Mars in the second house. So I just asked her, when Pluto Mars is here, have you ever been molested by any person in the family? She said yes. And whenever transit Mars comes on that combination, some incident happens. This is a very important point. I would like you all to give me feedback. If someone has Pluto Mars together, Mars will come every 18 months over here. During that time, see, it is not necessary that it leads to rape. It is please dete jao sabko. It is a combination where when Mars comes on this combination, there would be slight incident. You are walking on the road, somebody just rubs your breast and goes away. whoever has that Pluto-Mars combination. सुनील जी को ज़्यादा दे दो. Ratika. Yeah, if Pluto is alone also. If Pluto. सुनील जी को दिया. Yeah, see, Pluto-Mars combination leads to rape. If Mars is alone or Pluto is alone, the transit, any of them, either Mars on Pluto, Pluto on Mars, anything, that combination will lead to molestation. See, and it is not necessary that every time the transit comes, the person is raped. Because every time the whole horoscope will not have those combinations. So, if a person is having years, suppose only Pluto is there. When transit Mars comes over here,